Fresh, packed with protein, ready in about 30 minutes, and perfect for a quick, healthy meal. And if you want the full written recipe, you'll find the link in the description. Today we're making a steak and chickpea salad with chimichurri. Start with the chimichurri. In a bowl, add half a cup of finely chopped parsley, 2 small red chilies deseeded and finely chopped, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped, 3/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and half a cup of olive oil. Mix everything together and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so all those fresh flavors release into the oil. Next, prepare the chickpeas. Add about 800 grams of chickpeas to a bowl, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Drizzle in half a tablespoon of avocado oil and mix everything well so the chickpeas are evenly coated. Transfer them to the air fryer and cook for 12 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy. Now for the steak. Season a 600-gram eye fillet or steak fillet with salt and pepper. Then cook it in a hot pan for about 2.5 minutes on each side until medium rare. Let the steak rest for a few minutes before cutting it into 1-inch cubes. Now we can start building the salad. Add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of Persian cucumber, half a cup of finely chopped red onion, and 1 cup of cubed avocado. Add the roasted chickpeas and the steak cubes. Then pour the chimichurri over the top and gently toss everything together until well coated. Serve in a bowl and enjoy. This steak and chickpea salad with chimichurri is fresh, hearty, and full of bold flavor. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and delicious meals like this one.